How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another day of training at Santai Muay Thai. Let's get into it. Hope you guys can enjoy the show.
So, decided to rest this morning. I slept in. I didn't go to my morning class because last night I wasn't able to fall asleep till pretty late. So, my right shoulder was stiff as hell. So I didn't wanna test my luck. So I just decided to spend this morning resting, and then I'll be to class this evening. Right now I'm just chilling, having some real dim sum. This is the good dim sum. And watching Dragon Ball, playing. I'm gonna start playing some video games now. And I just finished my coffee, so I'm just waiting to take my morning dumps. And then I'm probably gonna go get a massage today or some shit like that. And then afterwards, training in the evening. Shit. So, still chilling in my room, but I figure I'd do a little bit of cleaning. So I got one of the little brooms here.
Shout out to those flip-flops that are barely even able to hold on.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out now to go get a massage. Maybe that'll help out my stiff back and shoulders. And plus, I've been inside long enough.
After cleaning, the room still looks like shit. So this massage place was actually quite the walk away. It was at a local temple, so I had to walk up the road and down another road and making a few turns here and there. So if you ask at the school, they'll tell you what's the local place that they get massages at, and it ain't bad. I only went there a few times, but I will tell you, keep very much in mind the temple there. That's where I got attacked by a pack of dogs. So they have a bunch of dogs roaming around, and they don't really keep them leashed up or gated. So be on your guard if you're gonna be walking around the temple there.
I don't know about you guys, but this doesn't really seem like. Okay, it's up the road. Hey, if you were walking down these types of streets, the bistro is to our right, I guess. Oh no, it's to the left. Doggies. Yeah.
Here's the massage place. It's inside. It's inside there, and I think it's 180 baht for an hour massage. In this place, it's not a ritzy looking spot. It actually looks like an infirmary. It looks like a. Hold up, let me switch the scenes. Bam. Let me pause the video. Boom. There you go. This place actually looks like an infirmary. It looks like a place where you would bring wounded World War II soldiers in after they got their legs blown off to get patched up. So it's not like one of the massage places that you would see from back home in your Western countries where it's all, or what you would see in Chiang Mai, where they would have more like, little fountains here and there with soothing music playing in the background. It's this place, and it was all right. I only got a handful of massages here. The whole thing about a massage is that as good as cheap as they are and as good as they were sometimes, I just didn't like the idea of just having to sit out for like an hour and a half. It takes about maybe 15, 20 minutes to get there and back, to get there, and then another 15, 20 to get back. And then you're laying down for an hour, and usually it was just like, all right, I don't want to lose an hour just laying there. And granted, some massages were pretty good, But you don't need to have that many. You just need to have a few of them if you're feeling pretty stiff. But in this place, they were nice because after you get the massage, they give you fruit, and the fruit in Thailand was absolutely delicious.
I just got my massage and my shoulder feels actually significantly better. There's still a little bit of sensitivity, but I think from this point on I should just keep applying icy hot around a little bit more serious. This week has just been so difficult to stay on. Wow, this place is pretty big. I don't wanna, I think I only have like 2 hours. So I'll come back and explore this area some other time. Make a note of it, you know? A spot to explore in the future. But for now, I gotta get home because I want to eat some food. I still want to work out. I gotta not. Alright. See you back home.
Be careful when you're walking around these areas because there's a lot of dogs that run around, a lot of strays. Well, I don't know if they're strays. They have homes, but they're just very much all over the place. So just be very careful when you're out here. You'd be surprised how common it is to have a dog run up on you, and if you have your headphones on, you're not paying attention, they might take a nip at your leg. So watch out, guys. This trainer's name is Jew, and don't let his slim frame surprise you. This guy can punch. Dude, look at my face. You can see how exhausted I am. After all these rounds, this shit took everything out of me. This shit was brutal. And it never gets easier. You get better, and all the movements feel a lot better to do, but you're always gonna be exhausted after your rounds. Here he's trying to teach me how to duck and then counter punch, but man, at this point it was just way too hard to keep my hands up. Any moment that I was able to take to just drop my hands to rest, I'd take it. Back to the arm conditioning. That's me right there. Just come boom, 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 boom. Until I couldn't keep my arms up anymore. Just out there just hitting this bag again and again and again and again.
There's no sun. If there's no sun, we can't dry our clothing. Training. I'm not gonna run though. I'm not fucking running. Fuck no, 11 kilometers?
They run 11? No.
That's what they said, it's 5:30, 11 kilometers. I'm like, you insane? You want me to destroy my fucking knees?
Last time you run like 4 or 5.
Yeah, that was just like an afternoon run. This is their Saturday, get fucked in the ass run. I'm not doing that. Fuck that shit.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna go drown in coconut juice and fucking cow soy. Catch you later, Chief.
I sound like such an American.
See ya. Now, who would not want to come home to this? Like, so you need to be damn sure that when you come out here, that you can make this place your space. You need to make damn sure you can do whatever you can to turn this room into a place that you want to vibe in. Because if, like right now, I'm looking at all this and I'm like, oh yeah, I want to jump in that bed. I want to watch some animes. Like I'm getting a Fire Stick TV, so I'm going to be able to watch my stuff on my TV, hopefully in a couple days if the products come in, which I'm pretty confident that they're going to.
The Fire Stick I ordered didn't work. So a Fire Stick is a great idea, but make damn sure you bring one from home that works. And don't lose the remote, okay? Because I was not able to find a replacement out here, and I didn't feel like dealing with like long shipping times and whatnot. Because some items they can ship really quickly, but stuff like the Fire Stick that I ordered, that took a while for it to get here, and when I got it, it didn't work. So just be very mindful when you come out there. Bring all your entertainment shit, but make sure that shit works before you get there.
And that's it. I'm gonna add something a little bit more. I went ahead and bought a Galaxy projector that I'm gonna put right there. That's gonna cover up this wall, and maybe I'll buy something else to put a moon up there in the sky. You know, really turn this room into some place that's really enjoyable and pretty. And that's the thing, is because I speak to a lot of people, and it seems that a lot of people, they come here and they're like, I'm just gonna train, walk around, explore. It's like, no. If you're gonna be here for like maybe a couple days, okay. But even then, it's like, yo, this room. Let me show you what it looks like with just the lights on. Look at this crackhead shit. Look at that fucking ugly ass fluorescent light. This nasty ass white light bullshit. Looks like I'm in some sort of prison cell or something. So it's like, yeah, man, like when you come out here, you need to come out here with whatever you find as entertainment. You need to bring that in excess. If you like video games, buy a shit ton of video games. Buy like 10, 20 video games. Here's your opportunity to do so, right? Once you book your ticket, you book your shit, buy your video games, buy your books, buy your songs, buy your whatever the fuck you need to, because when you're out here, you're gonna need something to keep yourself busy. Hey, you know what? There's a music store in town. Go buy yourself a guitar. Hey, perfect time to learn an instrument, right? So like, otherwise you're gonna go crazy. And very important, decoration. Decoration makes the vacation.
Alrighty guys, that was this week's episode. I hope y'all were able to enjoy it. I'll catch you on the next I'll catch you guys in the next week's episode. And if you like what you see, I'm getting into the rhythm of creating content, so I'm going to be uploading a travel video once a week and maybe something else in the middle of that time. So if you like what you see, give me a subscribe, or if you want to give me any feedback, please do. I know there's a lot of stuff that I need to work on, because as you can tell with these videos, I'm building this plane up in the sky, so I'm trying my best here, and I'd appreciate any feedback. I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.